Hello friends, this is Pradeep Reddy, Senior Faculty of Physics. Today in this video, I am going to derive Lensmaker equation which is part of class 10th syllabus. Now consider a lens which is biconvex, and in front of this you are placing an object. This object is at a distance u, and because of this you will be getting an image at this position, say image I, and this length from here to here, it is v. This is image distance v, and whenever refraction taking place through this biconvex lens, light ray first suffer refraction at the first surface, say this is first surface, and then it comes out from the second surface. When it comes out from second surface, it will undergo refraction twice. Therefore light suffer refraction twice when it pass through biconvex lens. And by lens formula we have 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. Let this be equation number 1. And whenever refraction is taking place at curved surface, we have mu2 divided by v minus mu1 divided by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 divided by r. These two equations should be familiar by you in order to derive Lensmaker equation. This is lens equation, 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. And whenever refraction is taking place from one single curved surface, you can use equation number 2 as stated here in order to find out the final image. Now using these two equations, we are going to derive Lensmaker formula, that is 1 by f is equal to mu g by mu a minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. This is called as Lensmaker equation. We are going to derive this using above two, equation 1 and equation number 2. As light comes from the object, this is object O, as it is at distance u, it is coming from air medium. Therefore first surface is air, therefore you should substitute refractive index of air, and it comes out from this surface, like it is first surface of the lens, and due to refraction from the first surface, image I dash is obtained on the principal axis at some distance, say x, within the lens. Therefore this is a second medium, which is mu g, refractive index of glass. The image I dash is formed in glass medium itself. That is the reason why we are taking mu2, second medium refractive index, as refractive index of the glass. Now using curved surface formula, we can write mu g divided by v minus mu a divided by u, and of course there should be negative sign according to the sign convention, is equal to mu g minus mu a divided by radius of curvature of the first surface. As it is right side, you should take it as plus r1 according to the sign convention. Let this be equation number 3. Now when light pass through the lens, ultimately it should come out from the second surface, and this is second surface, and the object for the second surface is I dash, which is at a distance x, and the final image is being produced at this position, say I. Now ultimately light ray is coming into the air medium from the glass medium. Therefore first medium is glass medium, therefore you should take its refractive index as mu g. Second medium is air medium, you should take it as mu a, refractive index of air. Now object is placed at a distance x for the second surface, therefore here you can use lens you can use curved surface formula, and you can write down mu a divided by x minus mu g divided by, sorry, this is v, mu 2 divided by v, and first medium is mu g, and its distance is x, u, object distance is x. This is equal to mu a minus mu g divided by r2, and for the second surface radius of curvature is left side, therefore according to the sign convention you should take negative, it is minus r2. This is equation number 4. Now equation 3 we have derived in the previous slide, and equation 4 we have derived in this slide. Adding these two equations, adding 3 and 4, you can add left hand side, mu g divided by x minus of minus will become plus mu a divided by u plus mu a divided by v minus mu g divided by x is equal to mu g minus mu a divided by r1 plus mu a minus mu g divided by minus r2. This two terms gets cancelled. Finally you will be getting equation mu a into 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to mu g minus mu a into 1 by r1. Negative sign, because of this negative sign here you can take mu g minus mu a by multiplying this negative sign over here, so that you will be getting plus 1 divided by r2. As we have exchanged this, as we have changed these terms mu g and mu a over here, negative gets cancelled, so finally you will be getting 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. Now we have got mu a 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to mu g minus mu a into 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. Now taking this mu a to the other side, 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to mu g minus mu a divided by mu a into 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. Now as we know, this is equal to minus 1 by f is equal to mu g divided by mu a minus 1 into 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. Now taking this negative sign to the other side, you can write 1 by F is equal to mu G A, relative refractive index of the glass with respect to air, into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. This is the final expression for Lensmaker equation. Thank you. Have a good day. Applications of Lensmaker equation is been discussed in another video.